if you just got your dbrand Killswitch for the Nintendo Switch 2. Relax, this is going to be easy. First, wipe your device free of dust and fingerprints with the included microfiber cloth. For optimal results, ensure you are under bright lighting. Note that your order comes with up to 11 elements. The main case for your console, a kickstand cover, grips for the left and right Joy-Cons, a travel cover with a removable game card holder, a dock adapter, a set of stick grips, a 2-pack of Prism 2.0 screen protectors, optional adhesive strips, and a set of skins for your Joy-Cons. A microfiber cloth is also included to help smooth down the edges of the skin. If you ordered a screen protector, it should be installed before attaching the case. We have a separate Prism 2.0 installation guide linked in the description. Go watch that, then come back here when you're done. See you back here in a bit. If you're installing a skin, make sure to apply it before attaching the case. If you're not planning to use a skin with your case, jump ahead to the time shown on screen. Note that each skin comes with 2 pieces, right and left. Let's start with the right Joy-Con. First, remove the skin from the 3M paper. Then, line it up around the plus, ABXY, home, and game chat buttons. Once lined up perfectly, apply pressure to secure it in place. Repeat this process for the left Joy-Con. Finally, grab your microfiber cloth and rub the border of the skin 10 to 15 times. This friction will smooth down the sharp edges, ensuring the skin won't bunch up when you're installing the case. Once applied, your skin should look like this. Now, it's time to install your Killswitch case. Let's start with the Joy-Cons. Installation is easy. Start by detaching the controller. Once detached, insert it into the case as shown. Press firmly to make sure the small lip is securely wrapped around the edge. This lip will prevent your Joy-Cons from slipping out without the need for adhesive. Repeat this process for the opposite Joy-Con. Once complete, reattach the Joy-Cons to your console. Next, let's install the main case. Start by peeling off the 2 adhesive tabs. These strips will keep the front lip of the main case from flexing under pressure. To attach the main case, start by wrapping it around the top. Then, snap the bottom over the console. Apply firm pressure to the bottom lip to secure it in place. Now, let's install the kickstand cover. To begin, deploy the kickstand on your device with the console face down. Next, remove the adhesive lining from the kickstand cover. Once the lining's been removed, a line around the center notch as shown. Finally, close the kickstand and apply pressure to secure it in place. Once complete, your Killswitch should look like this. Next, let's take a closer look at the dock adapter. The dock adapter allows you to dock your switch to without removing your Killswitch. It preserves full 4K 60 pass-through, functionality of the enclosed dock fan, and full airflow to the console itself. Installation is easy. Just pop it on. Note that the USB-C head rotates. Before plugging in your console, rotate it towards you. When plugging the console into the dock adapter, use the registration marks on the main case and dock adapter to help with alignment. Once these registration marks are aligned with each other, just plug it in. Next, let's apply the stick grips. First, remove the cardboard sleeve and choose either stick grip. They're identical. Installation is easy. Just pop it on. If your stick grip looks like this, it's not on all the way. Press down harder. Repeat for the opposite side. Next up is the travel cover. On the off chance you leave your house, the travel cover can be attached to the front of your case for protection while in transit. To install the travel cover, just hook it around the triggers. Then latch the bungee cord onto the front. To remove the travel cover, unhook the latch, then lift it off. Inside the travel cover, you'll find a magnetically attached game card holder. To remove it, just lift from the center notch. To insert your game cards, just slot them in as shown. Removal is simple. Just pop them out. To reinstall the game card holder, tuck the plate under the back lip, then drop it into place. It will attach magnetically. In case you ever need it in the future, we've also included spare adhesive parts. The long strips can be used to replace the adhesive on the front lip of your main case if it ever wears out. The small circles are optional adhesive pads for your Joy-Cons. For those that want an excessive layer of attachment security, we recommend placing them in the following locations. Done. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us.